Is a custody dispute brewing in the divorce of Kim Zolciak and Kroy Biermann? In the midst of his divorce from Kim Zolciak, a former Real Housewives of Atlanta star, Kroy Biermann is pursuing custody of his kids. On May 8, 44-year-old Zolciak filed for divorce from her 11-year marriage, claiming that it is irretrievably broken with no hope of reconciliation. For their 4 minor children, Kane and Kaya, both 9, and Kroy Jr., 11, she requested sole physical custody and shared legal custody. The following day, News reported that Kroy was asking for sole physical and legal custody of the children. A custody dispute may now develop, according to divorce lawyer Sarah Kaki, who is not involved in the situation. Kaki, founding partner of the Atlanta Divorce Law Group in Georgia, explained, "It is my understanding that both parties are seeking primary custody of the minor children, and if both parties feel adamant about receiving primary custody, then this can turn into a legal battle that could require the involvement of a guardian ad litem, a third party who will be seeking out the best interest of the children and will make a documented recommendation for the court on how custody will be determined." She continued, "The gal will build their opinion on interviewing both parents, schools, therapists, and speaking to the children themselves." Zolciak and Biermann, whose relationship was documented on Bravo's Don't Be Tardy reality show, are reportedly still living in the Atlanta home where they raised their children together. Zolciak also has daughters Brielle, 26, and Ariana, 21, from previous relationships. Kroy adopted the young women in 2013. The fact that both parties are seeking primary custody of the minor children means there may be a legal battle ahead, especially since there is already quite a bit of financials to sort through, Kaki said. The divorce attorney went on to say that while custody battles can be tricky, the state of Georgia bases determinations on the best interests of the child. The criteria for determining child custody in Georgia is the child's best interests. Thus, decisions regarding custody are supposed to be gender neutral and not biased in favor of or against fathers or mothers, according to Kaki. However, since these final choices are still being made by humans in a culture that still places a strong emphasis on gender norms, fathers still have to make a stronger case for themselves in custody disputes. Shauna Woods, the managing partner of Kaki, concurred. The most acrimonious situations arise when both partners have a rigid and unyielding posture regarding custody. The dads are on an equal footing in the eyes of the court when it comes to custody.